Today, me and my friend are going to be doing a build battle in Minecraft, but I'm going to be cheating with an AI auto builder. Yep, you heard that right. I'm not going to be placing a single block in my build because I found an AI that lets me tell it what I want built, and then it literally builds it for me. It's actually insane. I'm actually super excited to do this. Anyways, Baby Dash, you ready to do this build battle? What in the world are you building?
I'm building my house so I can get a head start.
What? No, we don't even know the theme of the build battle yet. Have you never done a build battle before?
Isn't this what we're supposed to do? Build stuff and then compete?
No, Baby Dash. The way that the build battle works is that over here in this dispenser, we've got a bunch of different themes. Whatever theme comes out is what we have to build.
Oh, I see. I thought we were just gonna build whatever.
Well, not particularly in this build battle. But anyways, you want to go ahead and press the button?
Ooh, yeah, I like pressing big buttons. Let's see. What did we get? Ooh, dragon.
You got dragon? Oh, interesting. Hold on. I'm already picturing a lot of different things I could build. I could build like a big fire-breathing dragon or like an ender dragon.
I'm gonna build an ender dragon. Wait, can I just spawn one in and then copy it and build it?
I mean, I guess so, but be careful that it doesn't break through the walls.
Yeah, don't worry. I'll be careful. Anyways, I'm gonna go build my dragon. I'm probably gonna be way better at building than you, Dad. I've seen your builds. Your builds all look like, squares.
Hey, no, they do not. I've built stuff that doesn't look like a square before. Okay, he's actually kind of right. All my houses that I build do kind of look like squares. But lucky for me, I'm not going to be the one building today. Let's go over here to the middle of our plot, and it's time to get to AIing. All right, guys, here. I've got the website pulled up where we're going to be AI generating our build. Pretty much whatever I type in this prompt box over here, whenever I hit generate, the AI is going to go ahead and generate a build for me. This is actually going to be insane. Once this is done, we just got to download our build and then / paste it into Minecraft, and GG's, the build challenge is done. Anyways, it looks like it says describe the object you want to generate. All right. I think the more descriptive we make it, the better the result is going to be. So I guess let's go ahead and start with a nice description. I guess we'll say a big red fire-breathing dragon. Oh yeah, this is gonna look insane. I'm not even gonna build an ender dragon. I'm building something completely custom. A big red fire-breathing dragon with giant wings and a big, what do you call like a thing of fire coming out of someone, like a dragon's mouth? A big flame coming out its mouth. Yeah, okay, that sounds like a pretty good prompt. Maybe let's give some more detail too. Make it have an angry dragon-like face and give it tail. Ooh, that is on fire. Yeah, the tail can be on fire. This could look really good. Anyways, I think there's everything we need. We gotta set the symmetry to auto. Yeah, I think all these settings are good. I guess let's go ahead and hit generate. And all right, it is creating the build. Hold on, it's asking me for a survey. I am all of these things. Yep, there we go. Anyways, it looks like it's generating over here. It's 41% done. While it's generating, let's go over back into Minecraft, and I kind of want to see what Baby Dash is doing. Yo, look at it's starting to generate it. This actually looks so sick. It's gonna add color at the end too, but hold on. It's almost done. Let's go back into Minecraft while it finishes generating, and I want to do a little bit of snooping around. I want to go see what Baby Dash is building on his side. Let's go over here and just grab an invisibility potion so that we don't get caught, and let's go over to this guy's side and see what he's doing. I'm actually curious what a baby's build of a dragon is gonna look like. Let's see. And what the? He actually spawned in a How did he spawn in a dragon and not have it move?
All right. That was intense. I had to tame this dragon, but now I can finally start building.
What? How in the world did he tamed a dragon? Okay, this is actually insane though. I can't believe Baby Dash figured out how to tame a dragon, and now he's just got it floating here. This doesn't even make sense. How dragons have wings. The wings have to be flapping for it to fly.
All right, just gotta start with the legs, and then I think this looks good. Obsidian was definitely a good block to build out of.
Okay. His build is starting to look all right. I'm not gonna lie. This actually looks pretty good. Okay, never mind. Now it's starting to look like a square. Anyways, let's go back over to our side. I'm pretty sure our AI build is done generating by now. Let's go back over here. Let me drink some milk, and it's time to see what we've got. All right, here, I've got the website pulled up again, and oh snap, it looks like we've got all these models over here. This looks sick. It looks like none of these builds have any blocks on them though. They don't have any color. I think what we need to do is pick one that we like, and then it'll add color to it. Let's see. Which one of these do we want to pick? This one over here in the bottom left looks kind of broken. I mean, it is AI, so I guess that makes sense. The top two over here look kind of cool, but I think the coolest one is this bottom right one over here. This one looks absolutely sick. All right, let's select this one, and then we need to generate the texture for it. It says the texture is gonna take 2 minutes. Let's see. Do we need to change any settings? I don't think so. I don't think we need to change anything. All right, I guess let's go ahead and hit generate texture, confirm, and all right, it's generating the colors. This is gonna look insane. 1%, 10%. Oh wait, it's going fast. Anyways, while our build is getting generated even more, let's go back into Minecraft and let's go back on Baby Dash's side again, except this time I want to do a little bit of pranking. Let me grab another invisibility potion because I kind of drank milk to get rid of the last one, and let's see what this baby is up to. Bruh, what in the world? Okay, his build was looking kind of good at the start, but now he's making it really look like a square.
Okay. I think the legs are too close to each other. I need to move this one a little bit farther.
Oh my goodness. Yep, this is definitely not looking like the Ender Dragon. I kind of see how what he's aiming for. The dragon from the side does kind of look like a box, but not this much like a box. Anyways, I kind of want to prank him a little bit. Just a little bit of harmless trolling to see how he'll react. What if we go ahead and replace his entire box with TNT? Hopefully he doesn't have any redstone blocks in here. Let's just do / replace near 50 obsidian with TNT. Boom, there we go.
Ah, what the? Did my build just turn into TNT? I didn't put any TNT anywhere.
And wait, hold on. This is gonna be a little messed up, but I got a funny idea. Let me grab a flint and steel, and I'm just gonna put it over here.
Okay, I guess I gotta fix this.
Wait. Actually, let's go next to Baby Dash. I'm gonna light this one TNT over here on fire. This is gonna blow up his entire build if I let it go. There we go.
What the? Who lit that TNT on fire?
And then / undo right before it blows up.
Wait, it turned back to obsidian? What is happening? Ender Dragon, are you doing something? I know you're like a big, powerful, magical beast. If you're mad at my build, I can make it better. Oh gosh, I think the Ender Dragon is mad at my build. I need to make it better.
Oh, what? The Ender Dragon cannot do all of that. All the Ender Dragon can do is shoot fireballs. How does Baby Dash think that the Ender Dragon did that? I'm not even gonna question it. But okay, let's go back over to our side. I think our build is fully done being generated by now. Let me drink this potion again, and let's see what we've got. Bro, okay, wait, hold on. It's still generating, but it's at 99%. I'm actually so excited to see what this looks like. And what? This looks insane. Okay, I am actually blown away by this. This looks so good. Look at all the detail and everything. It's got the teeth, it's got the eyes, and now all we've got to do is import this into our Minecraft world. This is actually nuts. All right, guys, I've just downloaded the file. I've imported it into this other website here, which is going to let me turn this 3D model into a build. All we got to do is just change some settings. So max height override. What should we set the maximum height for this build to? Honestly, 300 blocks should be... Actually, no. We need this to be big. 380 blocks. Yeah, we'll make this thing maximum height 380 blocks. We got the texture. We've got everything. Let's see. What other stuff should we add? I don't think we need to change any of these other settings over here. I think we have to hit this button over here to turn our build into blocks, and then we're going to see what it would look like in Minecraft. Here we go. It's loading. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Wait. This actually looks so good. So these are all Minecraft. Well, I don't think these are Minecraft blocks yet. I'm pretty sure each of these blocks is just like a solid color. In order to turn all of these into Minecraft blocks, we need to just click this assign blocks button. And okay, let's see what this looks like with Minecraft blocks. Okay, now it looks like Minecraft blocks. We got mushroom blocks there. We got redstone block. This actually looks so insane. I can't believe this was fully AI generated. Well, I think this is good to go. Let me go ahead and export it as a schematic, and then we should be able to / paste it into our world. This is going to be really big. It's 380 blocks tall. It's probably going to lag out the world a little bit. And all right, now that we've got the schematic downloaded, all we got to do to bring it into the world is just run the command / paste. But as you guys saw, this build is really big. So I'm going to go really far away from the wall just to make sure that the build doesn't mess with anything and break through the wall. Because I don't know where this build is going to spawn. I don't know if it's going to spawn on that side, this side. I have no clue. But here we go. Moment of truth. Let's see if this is all going to work and pay off at the end. Let me hit / paste, and here we go.
Wait, what the? Dad, are you noticing something lagging?
Uh-oh, wait, is the server lagging? It probably is because it's pasting in such a huge build. Baby Dash, I noticed that lag. I think it's our internet or something. Ooh, wait, I think I forgot to pay the internet bill last night. I think our internet is being laggy right now.
What, Dad? Why would you forget to pay the internet bill?
I was busy, all right? I was taking a shower and doing some other stuff. But hold on, let me call them. I think it'll be... I'll call them up. Wait, hold on. It's pasting in. Stuff is happening.
Wait, Dad, I can't even build it all. Nothing's working.
Hold on, come on. Why is the / paste taking so long? Probably because I put 380 blocks as the max height. 380 is a really big number. I'm pretty sure the Minecraft build limit is like 380 blocks.
Wait, Dad, this doesn't count towards the build battle time, right? We both can't build right now?
Yeah. We can have some some extra time to build because of the lag. And oh, wait, guys, it pasted in. There it is. There's the dragon. Oh my goodness. Wait. I gotta take a look at this thing from the front. Let me go into spectator mode so I can fly around real quick. This thing is actually huge. Wow. Okay. Turns out 380 blocks was really, really big. This thing is literally going above the clouds. Wait a second. It looks a little messed up though. You see all of these mushroom blocks over here? I think these were supposed to be red. Yeah, they're supposed to be red. Why are they not red? Bro, I think pasting in such a huge build kind of messed it up. But this is fine. This is fine. We can fix this really easily. All we gotta do is just change all of these mushroom blocks into like red concrete or something. And then I think we should be good. Let me just run the command / replace near 50 red mushroom block with some red concrete. And oh yeah, there we go. This is looking so much better now. Let me just go around the entire build and just run this command. This will just change all of the red mushroom blocks around me into red concrete. So I gotta do some scouting around the build and just keep running this command. So Baby Dash, how's your build coming along? Mine is looking absolutely insane, I'm not gonna lie.
What? Dad, your build probably looks like a cube.
Yo, it does not look like a cube. My build, I actually put a lot of effort in. Your build probably looks like a cube, if anything.
Okay, wait, it kind of does look like a cube, but yours probably looks more like a cube.
Baby Dash, if your build looks like a cube at all, then you are losing. My build looks nothing like a cube. I know my builds usually look like cubes, but I've been practicing, all right? I've been taking Minecraft building classes. Yep, and my builds are good now.
Okay, well, it stopped lagging, so I'm just gonna start building again now.
Oh, yeah. I think it stopped lagging a while ago, so you're probably good to go. This thing is actually nuts. Look, we got the entire interior here as well. There's so many red mushroom blocks around here, though, that I'm still just running around running the / replace command. Looks like there's also some stone blocks over here. We might want to replace these stone blocks as well with like orange blocks or something. The stone does look a little weird. I think it's supposed to be like a more orangey block, but yeah, it's just stone. But first, let's go ahead and finish replacing all the mushroom with red concrete. Oh, wait a second. Also, the build isn't kind of facing the right way. The wall is over here. The build is pointing its butt at the wall. We might want to flip this thing. Flipping anything that has this many blocks in it is definitely gonna do some laggy stuff. Anyways, I think we've gone ahead and replaced all of the red mushroom blocks with some red concrete. Now let's go ahead and try replacing all of the stone with some orange concrete. Let's see how this would look. Let's just go here to this stone and oh yeah, that looks much better. The stone just looks weird. I don't know what the point of it is. Maybe the AI was just trying to add some shading. Ooh, maybe it was like meant to be shadows and stuff. I don't know if it really comes off as shadows though. It looks good in the 3D model, but not in the Minecraft world. Let's just go ahead and replace all of this with some concrete. Is there any stone in the front? Oh yeah, there's a lot of stone here in the front. Let's see how this would look if we replace this with concrete. Yeah, it looks pretty good. The teeth kind of don't really show up because, you know, it's in Minecraft. We don't have that much detail. We got to build with big blocks, but it definitely still looks good enough. And I'm actually going to start using this AI build thing for whenever I need to build stuff. I no longer have to build stuff myself. I can just use AI. This is insane. Here we go. Let's go ahead and just replace all of the stuff around here with some more orange concrete. And all right, I think that's all the stone blocks on the build replaced with orange concrete. Okay, except for these. Why is there a couple stone blocks up here? Let's just go ahead and replace all these. There we go. All right, I think this looks pretty good. This build actually looks nuts. Like I'm actually so blown away by this right now. But anyways, since our build is pretty much done, why don't we go back over to Baby Dash's side and see what he's got going on over there. Hold on, I'm just gonna stay in spectator mode. Let's just spectator mode over to his side and see what he's got going. What? Are you serious? Is this really the only progress he's made that entire time?
Okay. This kind of looks like a dog. This looks more like a dog than a dragon. I think I should just start putting in the head.
Yo, Baby Dash, how's your build coming along?
Oh, it's coming along good. It's coming along really, really good. But when it's done, it's probably gonna destroy yours.
Oh man, I kind of feel bad for Baby Dash now. As soon as I come over to his side and we see our builds and stuff, he's gonna be disappointed. This build looks kind of poop.
All right, here we go. I'm just gonna raise up the head over here. Wait, that's not what I wanted to do.
Yo, this is quite disappointing. I will say, this is very disappointing. I don't even want to troll Baby Dash right now. I think this is just like too sad.
Wait, Dan, how much time do we have left to build?
We have 5 minutes left. Yeah.
5 minutes? Okay. I thought we had longer because of like, you know, the internet lagging.
Yeah. I think 5 minutes should be good though. I think 5 minutes should be more than fine.
All right, well, I'm just gonna speedrun my build.
All right, well, while Baby Dash is doing that, why don't we go in and generate some more AI stuff? I want to try generating other stuff other than a dragon. Ooh, what if we generate like a little town over here that the dragon can be blowing its fire on? That could be cool. Hold on, I wonder if this AI generator thing can actually generate a town. town. Let's try it. All right, here we are back in the AI generator. It's time to write in another prompt. Let's just go ahead and write in an old medieval town with a castle and old houses. I don't want it to build one house though. I want it to build a lot of houses. Maybe we should specify with 50 houses. Let's just say and 50 old looking houses. Yeah. I think this might be good. An old medieval town with a castle and 50 old looking. Okay, we already said old. I think we can just say and 50 houses. Yeah, I think this should be good. All right, let's try this out. I guess let's go ahead and generate and let's see what it creates. We can just stay here while it generates. It looks like it can generate the 3D models pretty quick. Look, it's already 10% done. This is insane.
Wait, Dad, how's your dragon looking like? Did you decide to make an ender dragon or like another dragon?
I decided to make another dragon. Not quite an ender dragon.
Ooh, okay. Well, I'm excited to see it. I'm still working on the head of mine.
Are you now? Well, Baby Dash, I'm pretty much done. I'm not gonna lie.
Okay, I think this looks good. Wait, now I need to work on the wings.
Well, best of luck, Baby Dash. Okay, look, we've got a few models over here, but I don't know if any of these include houses. I can only kind of see like a sneak peek of that. Oh, wait, no, check it out. I can see the full model. Yo, this one over here has houses. This is interesting. This one over here on the left is kind of just a castle. I'm not gonna lie, my prompt was kind of bad. That's probably why. I'm curious what the other two down here are gonna look like. This one over here in the top right looks pretty good though. This one's not bad. Not bad at all. And yo, it's been stuck on 80% generating for a while now. When are these last two gonna be done? Ooh, there we go. We got a third one. Yo, wait, this one's pretty sick. It does not have 50 houses, I will say, but it looks pretty good. It has maybe like 1, 2, 3 houses. This one looks pretty good though. It seems like the 3D models and stuff get better the farther down we go. Last time, the best one that we had for the dragon was the one in the bottom right. So far, it looks like, yep. Okay, hold on. We got the fourth one. Yeah, the bottom right one here probably looks best. All right, let's go ahead and click this, generate texture, and confirm. Here we go. It is generating the texture.
Wait, Dad, how did you build the wings on your dragon? Do they look round or is it blocky looking?
It looks pretty round. My wings look really round, I will say. They look really good. They look like what you would think when you picture dragon. Are you struggling to build in the wings?
No, my wings are looking really good. They look a little blocky though, I will say.
Ooh, okay. Well, Baby Dash, I'm not gonna lie, you might lose this build challenge if your wings are looking blocky. My wings are looking great, not blocky at all.
I don't believe that, Dad. Every time you ever build a house in one of our survival worlds, it's literally just like a square.
Okay, well, when I'm building a house, I don't really care about the look, all right? I just care about like how many chests I can fit in there and stuff.
Yeah, but everybody else builds cool looking houses. Whenever we're building a survival world together, all the houses look good except for yours.
Yeah, but my house, you know what they say, function over fashion? My house is the only one that actually does stuff that's cool. I've got like storage rooms and other stuff in my houses. Yeah, you can't complain.
Whatever, Dad. I'm excited to see your build.
Yeah, me too. I'm very excited to see your build as well. Okay, wait, it looks like it just finished generating the house texture. And, I'm not gonna lie, this looks kind of poop. I mean, I can see what it's trying to do. We got like the doors and like the windows on the houses, but hold on, you know what? Since we're importing this into Minecraft, we don't even need that much detail anyways. We're literally gonna build all of this out of big blocks. Okay, here, I just imported the 3D model into the schematic generator, and I'm not gonna lie, this looks more like caves than a house and a castle. This looks kind of poop. But you know what? Let's import it into the game anyways. This is still kind of sick. It still kind of fits in the theme of dragons and stuff, I think. And since this build is much smaller, we should be able to paste it in pretty easily. Let me just go down over here in front of the dragon, and let's paste it in right over here. All right, let's see how this looks. Pasting, it's pasting. There it is. And okay, this looks kind of poop. It looks like a lot of the blocks turned into stone. Okay, I don't think this was worth it. I'm just gonna / undo this. I think our dragon is good enough. Seems like the AI is not the best at building houses and stuff, but it is really good at building creatures and like single objects. Anyways, Baby Dash, I think the time just ran out for the build battle. I think we actually went over the time. My build has been done for a while. I've just been giving you extra time.
What? Okay, well, my build is done too. All right, I'm just gonna put that there. I don't have enough time to finish it.
All right, well, sick. If your build is done, then we should be good to check out each other's sides. Whose side should we check out first?
We should check out my side, because yours is probably gonna be bad.
Bruh, all right, fine. We can check out your side first, and Baby Dash, what in the world is this?
Look, it's my dragon. I think the back actually looks really good. I got like look at the tail. I have like the stuff on the back, the scales.
This part does look kind of cool, I will say. What the? Did you actually spawn in a dragon so that you can have like a thing to build it off of?
Oh yeah, I had to tame the dragon. I spent the first few minutes taming this guy. It was a lot of work.
How did you even tame a dragon?
With chorus fruit, duh.
Okay, I'm not even gonna question it, but wait, where is this guy's head? Did you just put a pre-made dragon head on the guy's head?
Oh yeah, I didn't have enough time to build like a fully custom head. But I think this looks pretty good. It looks a little blocky, but the wings and the legs and the tail, I think they look really good.
Yeah, I mean, this looks all right. But Baby Dash, do you want to come over to my side and see what I got?
Oh yeah, Dad. Let's see what you got. Your thing probably looks even more blocky than mine.
All right. I guess let's come over here and take a look. There is my build, Baby Dash.
Why is it so big? What is that thing?
Oh, here, why don't we just come around to the other side? I'll show you. I kind of built my thing backwards because, you know, I wanted to build it with the wall in the background. I thought it would look good.
Wait, what? This is your dragon?
Oh, yeah, Baby Dash, check it out. This is its head right over here. These are the wings. This is my dragon.
What? How did you even build this? We only had like 20 minutes.
Well, I mean, it's pretty simple. I just placed one block and then placed another block. It's pretty straightforward, pretty self-explanatory.
But Dad, but I've never even seen you build anything like this before. All of your houses are always super blocky looking. This looks insane.
Well, yeah, well, I mean, I don't know what to tell you. Whenever I'm doing a build challenge, I go all out.
What? Okay, well, I think you win this build battle. I need to get better at building. Teach me how you did this.
Okay, well, Baby Dash, you want to know a little secret?
What?
I may or may not have used AI to build this entire thing.
Wait, what? So you didn't build this yourself?
Nope, I used AI to build it. But wait, that doesn't make it any better. You kind of still technically got beat by a bot.
What the? The AI is actually taking over. What is happening?
This is insane. That was pretty crazy. And if you want to watch the next video, then click on the video on the screen right now.